Want to set up Home Assistant easily? In this video, we'll install Home Assistant as an LXC container on Proxmox and add the Frigate add-on using the Home Assistant community store. I'll guide you through each step, making it simple to get everything running smoothly. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their home monitoring. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. And with that, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is copy the LXC installation command from the Proxmox helper scripts and execute it in shell. I proceeded with advanced settings with the following changes: Debian 12, privilege, IPv6 disabled, SSH enabled, manual selection of storage pools that I prefer to use, and the rest was default. It will take a few minutes. Once done, it will provide the LAN address to access Home Assistant. I proceeded to create my smart home. I added my credentials, my home location, and for analytics, I left all options unticked and clicked Next and Finish. I went over the Frigate docs and I went to the Home Assistant Community Store, or known as HACS, documentation and proceeded to the download section. In here, I followed the container instructions. I went back to Proxmox and opened the terminal of the Home Assistant container. I used Docker PS to find the container name for the command, copied it, and replaced the container name in the command. After executing the command, we gain access to the terminal of the Home Assistant Docker container. Here, we copied, pasted, and ran the command from step 3. Once completed, I restarted Home Assistant and proceeded with the initial configuration. I went to Devices and Services and added the Community Store integration. I checked all boxes and pressed Submit. After that, you'll need to log into your GitHub account and enter the code sent to your email. Once you've entered the code, simply hit Continue and authorize the Home Assistant Community Store. It will show success and now you can set up the area. I created an area meant for the whole home to make it more simple, and I selected Finish once I'm done. If you check the integrations, you won't find Frigate there yet. We need to go to the HACS tab. Just enter Frigate in the search bar and download it. You can also select a previous version if the latest one has bugs. Once downloaded, you just need to restart Home Assistant again, but this time I restarted it by selecting the Frigate notification in the Settings tab. Once the restart is complete, you can proceed to add the Frigate integration. You will be prompted to enter the LAN address for Frigate. Simply paste it into the URL box. If you have set credentials for Frigate, please enter them in the respective username and password fields. If you did not configure any credentials, you may leave those fields blank. Finally, click Submit when you are finished. It will also ask for an area. I've chosen the same house I created earlier. You can now check the settings on Frigate and also be able to look at the footages. Minutes after having it installed, I had an issue where there are a lot of sensors appeared in my Overview tab, and it made it messy. Some of those are not even working, so I decided to just remove it. I went over to the Frigate add-on and removed all the entities, and it did leave out the active ones, as there were 17 left. And that's it for this video, everyone. If you found it helpful, Please give it a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.